All right, so I'm gonna start getting the rear bumper back on the car. I thought I'd just bolt it on. I got some new clips to go in there since they were all half rotted out, and I thought, you know, I'll get this cleaned up a little bit. So I knocked a whole bunch of scale and crud and stuff out of the back. So this is the joys of having a northern car. The bumper support here is pretty solid. Like, it's not rusted through or anything, but there's just all this scale and stuff in here. So I knocked it all free and used some rust reformer stuff, and it's supposed to turn the rust black. You can see there was still some like paint or coating in there, but yeah, it looks pretty rough, but luckily it's back up behind a plastic bumper cover. But yeah, oh, and I'll have to get some of the little Christmas tree clips that go in the bottom of the bumper that hold the plastic to this, because I think every one of them just snapped that big flat head off of them. So I knocked what was left of those Christmas tree clips out of the bumper. Got some new clips up here. Yeah, this is the joys of good old Minnesota crap on the roads, northern crap. So the threads look okay on it, and the other bolts all seem okay, but eventually when I go and redo this all, I should be able to clean those bolts up mostly, may replace a couple of them. But I'm gonna get this back up on the back of the car. Then I'm gonna probably pull that bumper cover back off, slop these fenders back up on here, and start marking them off for cutting. All right, bumper is really dusty, bumper cover. I got the bumper support on. I got the bumper all mounted in place, and it's all full of cobwebs and dust. But yeah, it's kind of neat to see it forming back into a real car again.